Wacky out.
I didn't say run over my foot. I did not say run over my foot. Go somewhere else with it. And it's gone.